Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are installing tape int extension from Ft.Likablewig. They are the sponsors of today's video. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And this unit I have here is their seamless tape int extension, and I have it in like 26. Also, it's a body wave unit, guys. Okay, it is soft, it is slicky, and the quality is top notch. You all already know that the link to this tip ends extension will be in my description box for you guys as always. Okay, also my discount code will be in the description box for you as well. So I'm starting off with parting our hair, taking out the lever, and you want to make sure that you are taking enough hair to cover up the tape in extension when you're done. Okay, also guys, this tape in extension can be reused. Okay, I'm also going to show you guys how to remove them when you're done in this video. Okay, and also how to reuse them if you want to reuse it. Okay, so definitely keep on watch to the end of this video to see how to do to remove it and how to reuse it if you want to. Like I said before, it can be washed. You can coil it to whichever coil pattern you want to coil it to. You can do whatever you want to do with this. All right, these are seamless, they are beautiful, and of course, link in my description box, like I said before. Okay, now I'm going to let you guys watch this whole process. But while you're watching, guys, please and please like this video. Okay, like the video, leave your comment in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel yet. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time there's a new video on my channel. Okay, and also share this video with your family and friends after watching. You don't know who needs this. Okay, so just share it to everybody and you'll be glad you did. Okay,
you're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
this process took me an hour 30 minutes and I used 2.5 pack. Okay,
Calling out your name, calling out your name. Been hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
at this point I have only used one bundle here and I still have two bundles left. Okay,
Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Been hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding
after installing the seamless tape ins extension, I used 2.5 bundles like I said before, and this is how full it is looking. Okay, also guys, I'm going to put this in an updo or a ponytail style so that you guys can see how natural and beautiful it looks. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in a ponytail style quickly for you guys to see how beautiful it is.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them, and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Got down feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say.
After coiling the tape in extension, this is what we have. But she don't want me to comb out the coils, okay? And you all, this is how gorgeous it is looking right now. Okay, like this is gorgeous. She looks so beautiful in this. Okay, I love how gorgeous the coils are looking. I love how neat the hair is. You all, this is good quality. Again, this tape in extension is from Wig. Detail will be in my description box for you guys. All right, so keep on watching guys. I'm going to show you guys how to remove and reinstall this. To remove the tape in extension, I'm going to apply leave-in conditioner to the root of the tape ends. Okay, I'm going to apply leave-in conditioner and leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes. All right, depending on what you're using, you can leave it for more or less. Okay, and if you have like alcohol or any other remover to use and remove this, go ahead and do that. Okay, but I seriously want to show you guys how to remove this. That's why I'm using the leave-in conditioner and it works. Okay, like it worked perfectly. All right, now after putting the leave-in conditioner and leaving it for 10 to 15 minutes, I massaged it a little. You guys saw that in the video. I massaged it and gently pull this out. Okay, with this, no strand of her hair came out. Okay, like you guys can see, no strand of her hair came out at all. Now to reapply this or to reuse this taping extension, I'm going to just use a white sticker that has adhesive on it and then place it on the tape in extension, and that is it. Okay, with this you can just remove the white sticker and reapply, reuse the tape in extension. Okay, hope you guys find this helpful. Please subscribe. Bye.